round 4. So here we are. 100 and, well, it's under 100,000. We all know, whatever. So another 2-level up there. Nice kitchen. I kind of like it. Kind of in the corner, not in the middle. TV. Not. I'll go on this. This is the hauler area. I think is where you can put all your bikes and anything else you want to put in here on the deck. So this is a little bigger one, but I get it. Nice bath. This is actually kind of nice. It's like a one if you're gonna sit for 4 months or something at a time. I get it. It's plausible. I like it. So you can put all your bikes in here. It can be your storage area. That's your deck to go out on. So not bad. But it's you use it for something. I get it. But the bigger these things are, the cheaper they are. That's a fact. Let's look at this one. I was in this one before. This one right here. This is a 2026 Thor. It's 120,000. Holy moly. Some of these are just huge, some of these bad boys. They have all kinds of... You got the grill right here. Blackstone. It's nice, I like it. Griddle. TV out here. This one's 128,000. Oh my goodness. This one's 180 retail, 129 sale price right now. TV, YouTube, you can watch on here, and whatever else. Storage area, come on the deck with your buddies. Hang on here, on and on. Not bad. Let's see if anybody's in that one I was just down there at. I wouldn't know, go down and look. See if they're in there anymore. Let's go look. Okay, they're gone. So it's in this one. Bad boy. 120,000. This one's kind of plausible. I don't mind it. But this is my drive bike, I guess, hanging out. But a lot of people have these and they pull their car. This is not bad. Thor, I guess, pretty good, but at least it's one level. A lot of room in them, so I'm shocked. TV's right there. Nice buckets. Looks like a nice vehicle. I guess a getaway for the weekend or somewhere. It'd be kind of fun to drive around the Great Lakes. It'd be kind of fun. Not bad. People can sit there. So, standard equipment. Indiana, imagine that. That's plausible. It's not bad. It's over here. Probably trying to sell that one there. This big dog right here. Holy Christ. This one's at 208,000. Right now it's 132,000. God. Oh my goodness. I get it. It's something if you're a NASCAR driver. Big ass buckets. Oh. These are the big dogs. The sink action, oven. It's for like the kids, but I think I'd take that up with my bicycles in here. I'd take that out. I was going to buy it. Nice bed. Shower's accessible. It's nice. I like it. I guess if you're in your 30s and If it runs fine and doesn't fall apart on you, I guess have at it, right? Why not, right? But I don't know. Who am I? So it's a huge machine to drive around. And trying to find storage for it. If you had storage, great. So right now it's 132,000. I've been in those. I've been enough of those already. You know, those almost the same stuff. Eddie Bauer when they were sitting in that bad boy. What do you guys think, huh?
I think you're supposed to knock when you come in our house.
I know. You guys looking to buy one or what?
I don't know.
I think
Not really, not this. We're just.
I'm kind of. I drive my car, pull my house.
Right.
I'm not doing. I get this. I'm gonna go out and buy a nice pickup truck, and pull like a basic camper. Less rollouts, the better.
Yeah.
That's the way I look at it.
That's what I did. I bought a new truck, new trailer.
Bingo.
25 footer.
Yep.
Big enough I can live in it in Arizona for 3 months. Unhook the pickup and go wherever I.
Yep. I have a cabin and there's 4 couples that each has 2 bus. Each have a bus. They have a 5th wheel. They drop in the cabin. They rent a shitter for the whole summer.
Yeah.
And they use it and they go back to Arizona.
Yeah.
That's what they do. So I just.
Where's your cabin?
South Turtle Lake. Up by Underwood, Minnesota.
Which one?
Underwood, Minnesota.
Underwood.
Yeah, so that's what I always say.
So that's a ways up there, yeah.
That's 2.5. But the bottom line is, you drive your car, you pull your house.
Yeah.
I'm not pulling a car behind you. You have 2 engines in.
Right. Exactly. Now you got 2 motors to
Yep.
worry about.
My folks had a motorhome back when we were younger.
But they're built better.
Yeah.
If you buy anything like this, any of those stuff, before you leave the shack, you make sure they look at it.
Yeah.
Go watch Liz Amazing on YouTube.
Yeah.
She did one. A guy bought $300,000 on a Class A, $300,000, and all he had was problems with it.
Yeah.
All he had was problems because they rushed him out the door.
Yeah.
See you guys. Happy shopping.
Yeah,
You too.
thanks.
See you on the road.
Yep.
Take care.
Yep, he knows exactly what I'm talking about. He knows exactly what he's talking about. I get these. The old ones are kind of cool. The Winnebago ones are kind of nice. They're built solid. Call me maybe. Ford found on road dead. Look at that bad boy. All-wheel drive, which is nice. 120, 100, now almost 200,000 before the discount. Oh my goodness. Not a lot of room, but I don't know. You see the camera close to me. So yeah, that's got the you can sit right here. Someone's with you. And there's the pilot, man. Cruise right along. Hell yeah. Oh. Yeah. Breaking it by coming down. You gotta have something to hang on to. Eddie Bauer. Look at that, huh? This is a little different. This turns into a bed here, I think. I don't know. But I don't know. I don't see a bed in here unless that's going to be the bed. I have no idea. Pretty cramped. But, oh, there's a bed. Bed's above you. So I guess you got to climb up there and sleep. Climb down. So, okay, I get it. anyways, guys, we'll see you the next one, all right?